Folks, ever tried generating anime art with AI and felt like something wasn't quite right? Maybe the character looked okay, but the proportions felt off, or the style changed every time you regenerated it. That's usually because most tools aren't actually built for anime. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into PixAI, a platform built specifically for anime-style illustration. Instead of adapting general models, it focuses on accurate stylization, stronger consistency, and a smoother workflow for creators. Friends, with PixAI, you can experiment freely thanks to daily free credits, which is perfect for testing models and styles. So you can just mess around and find your favorite model without having to pay a subscription. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Guys, today you'll be able to create your own anime avatar from scratch, even if you've never drawn a thing in your life. Unlike regular AI generators, PixAI is a tool that really gets proportions, stylization, and all the little details that make a character pop. Folks, one of its biggest advantages is the huge ecosystem of ready-made models and styles that are already set up for you. You don't need to be a technical expert. Each model has its own unique style, but if you want to get even more specific, you can use LoRAs. With the right LoRAs, you can generate character images that get the details right every time. They're basically plugins that teach the model a specific character or style. Mates, first go to the Generation tab. This is our main workspace. At the top you'll see the prompt field. That's where you type a description of what you want to see. Let's create something interesting. For example, a cyberpunk samurai girl. If you're not sure how to describe details properly, don't worry. PixAI has a prompt helper feature. When you turn it on, it automatically improves your request by adding useful tags for better lighting, composition, and detail. It's perfect for beginners because you don't have to figure out complicated terms yourself. Friends, now look at the right panel. This is where we adjust the style. The most important setting is choosing a model. In PixAI, each model has its own unique drawing style. For our example, I'll choose Haruka V2, which works well for detailed characters. But there are many other models available, so you can experiment and find the one you like most. Next, guys, adjust the image size. Since we are designing a character, it's better to choose a portrait orientation. That way we can clearly show the outfit and equipment details. Then choose how many images you want to generate. You can select a single one, which uses fewer tokens, or generate 4 images to see more creative variations. I'll choose 4 so the tool can show more options. Friends, then click Generate and wait for the results. Here we have 4 versions of our cyberpunk samurai girl with swords. Notice the level of detail in the clothing and lighting. The neon reflections on the wet asphalt look especially impressive. This quality comes from combining a strong base model with LoRa styles. Pick the version you like most. I'll choose the one where the character is standing full length, since it will work best for our next step. Mates, to access all these styles, just go to the Models tab. Inside the Model Market, you'll find a huge library of community-created resources. For example, you can search for cyberpunk. You'll find LoRAs for specific art styles, costumes, effects, and even avatars from games. Simply add the style you like to your collection, and it will appear in your generator. This allows you to mix different elements and create something completely unique. Now imagine you want this character to become the hero of your manga or game. You'll need a sheet, a design page that shows the figure from different angles and with different facial expressions. Normally artists spend days creating this. However, in PixAI, it takes just one click. Folks, open the tool and select the samurai image you liked earlier. You don't need to manually adjust anything. The tool automatically analyzes the image, recognizes the style, identifies the weapons and color palette. After that, at the bottom, choose English as the description language and click Generate. Within seconds, the system creates a full character sheet with multiple facial expressions, different angles, and organized design elements. And that's how you can go from a simple idea to a fully developed anime avatar without drawing a single line. You can clearly see the costume details, and everything keeps a strong resemblance to the original design. That consistency is incredibly useful for storytellers and character designers. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now for the magic part, friends. Let's bring our artwork to life. Normally, animation requires complex software and a powerful computer. But in pix.ai, you can turn any image into a video in just a few steps. Mates, go to the Video tab and upload your finished samurai image into the window. That's the one we selected earlier. On the right side, choose the generation model. I recommend version v3.2. It understands text prompts the best. Then I describe the movement in English, like wind in the hair and neon rain falling. We don't need keyframes or physics settings. The AI handles everything automatically. You can also choose the length of the video. I'll select 5 seconds just to see how it turns out. Then click Generate. You might see a small warning that says, "Keep creations SFW." Don't worry, the system is just reacting to the outfit. If the Generate button is active, everything is fine. The settings are simple and straightforward. Friends, now we wait for the video to render. And just look at that! The static image has transformed into a living scene. As you can see, guys, the character walks through the city, with her hair blowing in the wind. The cyberpunk atmosphere feels even more immersive, so it's a perfect way to showcase your characters on social media. Alright, my friends, here's the bottom line. pix.ai makes creating anime figures easier and far more enjoyable than ever before. You can start with a simple idea and watch it evolve into a detailed avatar without touching a pencil or wrestling with complicated software. It's more than just an image generator. pix.ai gives you a creative playground where you can experiment, tell stories through your characters, and develop designs that are consistent, unique, and ready for long-term projects. Now it's your turn. Try creating your own hero today. I'd love to hear what you create, so drop a comment below sharing your experiences, your favorite features, or even your completed characters. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time.